Hi everyone. Welcome to our Bisaya language learning session. Today we're not just learning words and phrases. We're learning how to connect, express, and even have a bit of fun with the Bisaya language. In this presentation, I've laid out the English phrases alongside their Bisaya translations on separate pages. This way you can easily compare the two languages and get familiar with how common phrases are used in everyday conversations. The goal is to keep it simple, providing you with a quick reference to help you feel more comfortable and confident when you find yourself in a Bisaya-speaking environment. To make things more engaging, I've included phrases that fall into different categories. While they're not presented in a strict order, each one serves a purpose, from greetings and polite expressions to casual banter that'll help you sound more like a local. So get ready to explore, have fun, and maybe even toss in a few playful lines along the way. Now, let's dive in. Good morning.
Mayong buntag.
Good noon.
Maayong udto.
Good afternoon.
Maayong hapon.
Good evening.
Maayong gabi.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Goodbye.
Bye.
What's your name?
Unsa imong pangalan?
My name is John.
Ako si John.
How old are you?
Pila imong edad?
Where do you live?
Asa ka nagpuyo?
Where's the bus station?
Asa dapit ang bus station?
Where's the hotel?
Asa dapit ang hotel?
Can you help me?
Pwede mangayo og tabang?
Is it near?
Daol ba?
Is it far?
Layo ba?
I don't understand.
Wala ko kasabot.
I'm hungry.
Gigutom ko.
I'm thirsty.
Giuhaw ko.
I don't like this.
Dili ko ganahan ano.
This is delicious.
Lami kaayo.
No thanks.
Dili lang.
Why not?
Nganong diliman?
Nothing.
Wala lang.
Just water, please.
Tubig lang, palihog.
What are you looking for?
Unsa imong gipangita?
Is there food there?
Naipagkaon dira?
What's your dish?
Unsa imong sudan?
Can I order a rice?
Pwede ko mag-order og rice?
One soft drink, please.
Isa ka soft drink, palihog.
Where's the restroom?
Asa dapit ang CR?
How much does this cost?
Tekpila ni?
Can I ask for a discount?
Pwede ko makahangyo.
It's too expensive.
Mahal kaayo.
Do you have something cheaper?
Naay barato?
What time is it?
Unsa na yung oras?
This is very nice.
Nindot kayo ni.
Can I take a look?
Pwede ko magtanaw?
Can you show me on the map?
Pwede ni mo ipakita sa mapa?
I'll buy a souvenir.
Magpalit ko og souvenir.
How are you?
Kumusta ka?
I'm good.
Mayor ako.
What is this?
Unsa ni?
Where can I buy food?
Asa ko makapalit og pagkaon?
Let's eat.
Kaon ta.
You're taking so long.
Dugay kayo ka.
What are you doing?
Unsay mong gibuhat?
Where are you going?
Asa ka padulong?
Let's go together.
Nakuyog ta or sabay ta?
Don't worry.
Ayaw kabala ka.
When are we going to eat?
Kano sa tamangaon?
What is it?
Unsa man?
Sorry.
Pasensya na.
No problem.
Walay problema.
Can we talk?
Pwede ta magstorya?
I like you.
Ganahan ko sa imo.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Nay wifi diri?
What did you say?
Unsay mong giingon?
Can I borrow?
Pwede ko manghiram og bike?
Can I take a picture?
Pwede ko mag-picture?
See you next time.
Kita tapuhon or kita kits?
I'm nervous. I'm scared. Nakulbaan ko or nahatong ko. Oh no! Hala ka. I have nothing to do with that.
Wakoy labot na. Gikapoy ko.
Don't act silly. Ayaw pagbuang-buang. Take it easy. Hinay-hinay lang, oy. That was fun. Lingaw ato, oy. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.